It's Footballer 1 Race 8. Klopp is hoping to get back on track here today. Oh my, Mourinho's bus has ruined this race as a spectacle. What a negative race strategy.
Is that the sound of medal on medal? Or just the sound of George Best turning in his grave? Boom.
Conte will almost certainly get 3 points here today.
Fire!
Oh, Roy has shat all over that theory.
That's the way, Zaha, Zaha. I like it, Zaha, Zaha.
I'm hearing that the Stoke car has made an emergency stop.
Please. I'd like to report a crime. Well, my whole team are the victims of an assault. No, Harvey Weinstein had nothing to do with it. Hello?
Nothing can separate these two with seconds remaining. But what's this? Xhaka has decided to pick his nose. Has no one warned him that if you pick your nose, your brain will fall out? Here come the Terriers, and you'll have to take your hat off to Tammy Abraham Lincoln, who is on the right side of an assassination today.
I'm going to call the RSPCA!
Forget the Bourne identity. This is more like Bournemouth lacking identity.
They're not even capable of getting a result against us at Wembley. Pathetic.
West Ham lead here, but the Centaur has got himself sent off with a mindless elbow. Brighton have a commanding lead over Everton, but Bruno has thrown that lead away. What's on the menu here today on the South Coast?
I recommend the Sheriff.
The Leicester team boss revealed he had to give Mahrez a kick up the backside last week. Oh, and now he's had a rocket on the backside this week, courtesy of Nasser Chadli. And it's Money City who take the Peter checkered flag, proving that Pep is a world-class manager after all, when he has had a shitload of cash to spend.
Is Mourinho too negative for Man United? Are City gonna storm the league? And is Roy Hodgson gonna prove everyone wrong? Nope. Thanks for watching.